Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Upgrade your lawn care routine with a tool that delivers accuracy, efficiency, and consistency. The best rotary spreader ensures even coverage for seed, fertilizer, and other materials, helping you achieve healthier, more uniform results while saving time and effort on every application. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Scots Turf Rotary Spreader. The Scots Turf Rotary Spreader is a dependable choice for homeowners who want consistent and precise lawn treatment without dealing with complicated setups. Arriving pre-calibrated and ready to use, it saves time and removes the guesswork from application. The redesigned hopper and agitator system help materials flow smoothly, ensuring even coverage whether you're spreading grass seed, fertilizer, or winter products like salt and ice melt. One of its standout features is the edge guard technology, which prevents product from landing on driveways, sidewalks, and landscaped areas, making the application cleaner and more efficient. With a generous capacity that covers up to 15,000 square feet, it's ideal for medium to large lawns. The lightweight frame and comfortable handle make it easy to maneuver, even across uneven terrain. This spreader is a reliable, user-friendly option for maintaining a lush lawn throughout every season while minimizing product waste and reducing unintended messes around your yard. Number 2. Buyer's Walk-Behind Rotary Spreader. The Buyer's Walk-Behind Rotary Spreader is built for rugged, year-round performance with a heavy-duty design that handles everything from fertilizer to salt. Its 100-pound poly hopper offers excellent capacity and weather resistance, making it suitable for demanding outdoor tasks in any season. Adjustable deflectors and a simple control lever allow you to fine-tune your spreading pattern up to 24 feet, ensuring product lands exactly where needed without wasting material. The enclosed gearbox contains alloy gears that deliver smooth, consistent operation, while the fully welded carbon steel frame adds long-term durability with its corrosion-resistant powder coating. Whether used for walkway maintenance, de-icing, or lawn care, it provides reliable performance and precise control, making it a great choice for property managers, landscapers, and serious homeowners. Number 3. Jonathan's Standard Rotary Spreader. The Jonathan Standard Rotary Spreader is a practical, easy-to-use option for anyone wanting smooth and consistent material application across their lawn. Designed with operator comfort in mind, it keeps users standing upright while pushing, reducing back strain during longer tasks. Its broadcast width of 10 feet allows quick coverage of large areas, minimizing time spent going back and forth. The large 9-inch air-filled tires help the spreader move easily over uneven surfaces like roots, stones, and soft ground, even when the hopper is fully loaded. With a 40-pound capacity, it's well-suited for spreading grass seed, ice melt, fertilizer, or lawn treatments over areas up to 10,000 square feet. Whether used in gardens, driveways, or sidewalks, this spreader offers consistent, even distribution and dependable performance for everyday lawn care tasks. Number 4. Suchtale Upgrade Rotary Spreader. The Suchtale Upgrade Rotary Spreader is thoughtfully engineered for handling organic fertilizers and heavy garden materials that often clog traditional spreaders. Its internal blade agitation system keeps compost, peat moss, and other chunky materials moving smoothly without crushing them, while the adjustable flow port gives you precise control over spreading rates. The drum rotation system, driven by wheel movement, allows you to easily switch between spreading and non-spreading modes by lifting the drum wheel, perfect for transitioning between lawn areas. With its built-in metal pallet, the hopper doubles as a cart for carrying bulky fertilizer bags or garden tools, helping reduce repeated trips across the yard. Crafted from strong, rust-resistant iron with a protective coating, the spreader arrives pre-installed and ready for immediate use. Its all-metal design ensures long service life, and detachable components make maintenance straightforward. This model is ideal for gardeners seeking efficiency, durability, and improved handling of organic material applications. Number 5. Agri 85LB Rotary Spreader. The Agri 85LB rotary spreader offers sturdy, dependable performance with a design built in the USA for lasting reliability. With an 85-pound capacity, it's capable of covering up to 14,000 square feet, making it a strong choice for medium to large lawns. The spread width reaches up to 10 feet, allowing users to cover ground efficiently with fewer passes. Equipped with 10-inch pneumatic tires, the spreader handles uneven or rough terrain smoothly, giving you better control and stability when working with a full hopper. The cable flow control system provides simple and accurate adjustment of material output, ensuring you get the right distribution with each use. Some assembly is required, but the included instructional video makes the process straightforward. Whether you're applying seed, fertilizer, or ice melt, this rotary spreader delivers consistent results and dependable operation. It's a solid choice for homeowners who want a reliable, easy-to-operate spreader built to last through many seasons. Choose a spreader that delivers reliable performance every time you use it. The best rotary spreader helps you maintain a healthier, more vibrant lawn with less effort and greater precision. With consistent coverage and user-friendly design, it transforms routine lawn care into a smoother, more effective experience.